Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to know how many times you unlock your phone today. Okay, it is very simple and it's only by installing digital wellbeing, and also Android 12 and above versions have defaultly installed this digital wellbeing application on your Android device. So just open your settings from the menu, open the settings, then scroll down, then you can see option of digital well-being and parental controls. Okay, just open that. Here is, you can see that unlocks. Today I will unlock my phone 51 times. Okay, so in this way you can easily identify how many times you are unlocking and how many hours you are using phone, which application is mostly used, which application less used. So everything is here, and you can also check your previous days usage details also, you can see here. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. In this way, sorry, if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.